guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Bang & Olufsen Earset wireless earphones. In a world where more and more phones and devices are getting rid of the headphone jack, the aux cable is getting a bit obsolete, and if you want to avoid the dongle life, you have to go with something that's a bit more wireless and a bit more Bluetooth. So in this case, we're going to be looking at the Bang & Olufsen Earset, which is the wired, sort of almost wireless headphone experience, earphone experience. First things first, let's do the unboxing. So obviously this is by Bang & Olufsen, which is a very premium brand in terms of their main focus tends to be with design. The box sort of just slides right out. There you go. Obviously one of the first things you'll see is the earphones itself, but you have these little tabs on the side, and when you pull it up, sort of the headphones come out. So I'm going to just quickly move that to the side over here, and let's check what else is inside the box. We get a little pouch, the charging cable, some ear pads, and the literature is right there in the middle, silica gel. So looking at the headphones, let's have them removed from this foam. And of course, let's have the plastic removed. Alright, so now that we have that done, let's have a look at the headphones. It comes with anodized aluminum over here and soft rubber all around, including the ear heads itself, the earphones itself. Very nice. One thing that's really cool is that this mechanism is super smooth. It's almost like, I mean, on their website they use hydraulic, and I was a bit apprehensive about calling it hydraulic, but it's really good. The whole thing is super smooth, buttery smooth, really nice. Makes the whole, I guess, customization experience really nice. Overall, very, very impressed already with it. Build quality, they got it, but you can't expect anything less from Bang & Olufsen, so definitely nice. Couple of points. This is not going to be in-ear headphones, so that's something to consider. It's going to sit on your ears, rather, kind of like on your ears, but they're not going to be in-ear directly. So in case you like to be isolated from the world when you're listening to audio, these are not going to be the kind of headphones that you would want to get, the earphones that you would want to get. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool. It gives a sort of retro look of the 90s almost, because that's when we used to have the out-of-ear headphones with the little pads that you get with this as well. So you're going to slap some pads on if you need them. I would probably use them because, you know, sweat and whatever. But put that on and then put these around your ears, customize them, height, grip, height, pretty cool. Like, it's really smooth, shockingly smooth. So let's have a look around the rest of the headphones. Firstly, it has a mic over here, which also has some plastic on it. So let me remove that. Not as smooth as you would like, but anyways. This is the control buttons. It's also the mic, so you have a mic on the back. And over here you have the play pause, and I think it also works with voice control, so with Siri and Google Now and all that kind of stuff. And you have the volume up and the volume down as well. So again, it's got that aluminum look, rubbery feel as well, soft rubber, very nice. Overall, very premium. Let's have a look at the earphones itself. They are, as I said already, outside, customizable in two different places, here and here. Really nice. It actually charges over USB-C. USB-C wire with Bang & Olufsen branding. Pretty cool, actually. Very nice cable. Don't say that very often about a cable. So definitely a +1 for the Bang & Olufsen, because USB Type-C, we want to see everything get into that. The faster tech starts catching up with USB-C, less number of wires to carry around. One thing to know is that there is a B&O app that you can use with this one, B&O Play. And you need to download that app to really customize a lot of the experience with this. So once you're done installing this 102 MB app, you're going to open it up, and this will allow you basically to customize your device. I think I better turn this thing on. And once you have your device connected, you can actually start modifying the kind of sound that you want to listen to. Basically, you get a lot of different options here. So there's a lot of customization that you can do with your headphones. And the cool thing is that you do get a battery indication over here. So this is one way to check. So what's really cool is that it does integrate really well with the battery on your iPhone. So you can actually check what's the status of your earphone battery, which I think is pretty cool. So that way you know whether or not you need to charge it or what's happening with it. So one of the things that I didn't like about the app experience specifically is that sometimes after some time of not using the app for a while, when you press it, it takes some time to connect it, but it's a minor thing because you don't really need to come back here all the time. You can actually control your music and stuff directly from the remote, and it affects whatever's playing. So this is pretty well integrated. You wouldn't expect anything less, so that works as expected. So the headphones are actually pretty easy to use. The play pause buttons, the control buttons are actually very responsive. So the moment you press it, it almost instantly reacts. There might be a bit of lag every now and then, but it's not bad. And I think if you press and hold the center button, it'll call up Siri. So then you can actually speak with Siri using this directly as well. So it picks up quite a lot of the sound properly. As I was listening to the audio, it became very evident that the sound quality from these earphones are amazing. They're actually very, very full. They have good bass, good highs, good mids. Overall, a very, very fulfilling sound experience, which of course you can customize to whatever you want to listen to or however you want to go about listening to it. I tried them without the earpads. I will give them a try again once with the earpads, but it did take me a couple of seconds to get used to putting these on because I'm not really used to such headphones ever before. So it took some time. Once I got used to it, it was very comfortable. Relatively comfortable for long journeys as well. Thoroughly enjoyed them. Materials are very good build quality, very good sound. If you're looking for the immersive sort of blocking the sound out experience, this falls a little bit short, not much because the sound quality is so good. You're actually enjoying the music a lot. So, but in a busy metro or a busy environment, you might lose a bit of the sound. So that's the only part where this misses out in my opinion. The rest of it's pretty good. If you look at the specs on this, it's got about a 5-hour battery life, and it charges, as I already said, with USB Type-C, so that's pretty cool. These actually come in 2 colors, white, which is what we have over here, and a charcoal brown kind of color, which at least in pictures looked really black to me more than anything else, but obviously when you see it in person, it's very different than what you would see it in pictures. So what I've already stressed on a lot is the build quality, and I really like the materials that they've used, and I really like the level of customization that's available to each person. You can really go all out with this. There's a lot of customization, a lot of things, and it'll fit almost any ear. The only part that you can't really customize is the earpiece itself, but it's not supposed to sit inside your ear, like I've already said. It's supposed to sit sort of on your ear. So overall, really nice. I would definitely give this a try. The price point is about 1,200 dirhams or about $300 if you buy it in the US. So pretty good overall. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.